Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Today, we will be learning or practicing how to do a cross hatch on a round object. So, to start off, we will just put down a round shape. You could either use an object to draw the round shape or just try it in light strokes in this way, or go like this with your palm or the butt of the hand anchored on the paper. But again, once you have your circle down, and it is essential that the circle should be more or less round to practice this crosshatch. So we are imagining that the light is coming in from this angle here, like so. So this area will be darker. I want to define that line a little bit better so that we can. Now, crosshatch is basically just a set of lines or intersecting lines, but they should be run along the shape of the object. Now this is a round object, so we will do something like that, just going back and forth with the pencil. I haven't mixed anything or smudged, I'm just going lines. Now I'm going to concentrate here with more lines, and as you see that somewhat shadow has come around there, but we will start making more lines here to make this more dark, make this darker. Now you could go like this or back and forth. That is the fun that one can have with a round object when it comes to a crosshatch. So we have this is practice. So again, it's a rough thing, but more or less we have a crosshatch produced shadow effect. Now you could also, or artists also tend to do intersecting lines going the other way, but again we have to keep in mind it's a round object, so it is best to keep those going along the line, along the shape of the object as well. Now, this may or may not be necessary, but sometimes it just helps add a little more exciting detail or a little more in terms of effect to that shadow. So if you see there, we have that crosshatch done on that ball, and we will try that with a pen as well. Move that a little bit to the side. So with the pen, again, just like light strokes to get that shape going. Once you have that shape down, we begin cross-hatching. Now, please do remember that the light is coming again from this side, so we are going to concentrate so as we Well, so as you see, the basic idea is working one stroke at a time. We have a sort of a shadow effect going there. Now we can improve this again using the same crosshatch with the same point. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, just like a and then to experiment with the same flow of curves going along the shape. So it's a round object again, so curved strokes. And we can improve upon this a little bit. And then do more lines. In this case, crosshatches again, as I mentioned, technically intersecting lines, but when we have sometimes lines just going in one direction, that's also counted as a crosshatch. So a crosshatch with a pencil, crosshatch with a pen on a circle, and you could work on the details and maybe add like smaller crosshatch lines here for an added effect. And the same thing of course goes with the work with the pencil. So there you have it, a simple way. Of course it will require some practice there, but it can work once you get the flow going. And again, please remember that the shape has to be cooperated with if you need a better crosshatch or shadow effect. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been of some help. Please do not forget to subscribe. Have yourself a wonderful day.